Hi folks, welcome back to the Social Television Network. I'm Chris Carrascio, joined today by Kerry Steigerwalt of Sevens Legal. Kerry, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
You got it. Okay, today's topic, Prop 64, and what that means when people now get in their cars here in California. Can you kind of go over what ramifications might be?
Yeah, that might have been actually one of the most staunchest reasons why they didn't want Prop 64 to pass is because now that you can freely consume marijuana, what about those that consume the marijuana and then go off and decide to drive? Because let's face it, when you're driving a motor vehicle, it's tantamount to a 2,000-pound weapon, really, as you're driving down the road. And so how's that going to affect it? We don't know yet. And we don't know yet because there's no real accurate device that can tell us at what level is everybody under the influence for purposes of driving.
Even with that, even with not knowing at this point, are the laws similar to alcohol levels?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they are real similar. In fact, what you can have in right now, as the law stands right now, what you're going to have is an officer come up and testify, oh, I saw the driving, and the driving was, however it was, erratic or failed to stop for a stop sign. So the officer can always talk about the driving. But in a typical DUI case, there's always a scientist that comes up and says, well, we did a blood draw and his blood alcohol level was X, and if it's over 0.08 in the state of California, you're under the influence for purposes of driving. You don't have that in driving under the influence of marijuana. Now, I mean, they are beginning to have it. Up in Stanford, there's a device that is being created and tested with certain law enforcement to measure the nanogram level after you've ingested marijuana. But it hasn't been scientifically accepted yet, and it's going to be challenged by lawyers.
What about maybe a physical test when someone is stopped?
You're right, because the same thing with DUIs. They have you to do the nose.
The walk on the line, yeah.
Yeah, those are circumstantial evidence factors that will be introduced to a trier of fact as to whether you're under the influence. But many wise people don't do those tests. You don't have to do those tests. In fact, if it's you and the officer in the field and he has you do those tests and only he's making a determination to how well you did, do you think it's smart to do those tests?
Probably not.
Of course not.
That's good information, just that alone. But Kerry, thank you so much. And any questions anyone ever has about this topic or any other legal topic, they can contact Sevens Legal, right?
We're all over it.
You're all right. And so the phone number, folks, is right there on your screen, or you can just click the link we provided. Kerry, great information. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you.
We appreciate it. Folks, we'll see you next time.